Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve 8 power x equal 48. We have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So I am taking log on both sides. So log 8 power x equal log 48. So according to log rule, log a power b is equals to b log a, and this becomes x log 8 is equals to log 48. Now, x is equals to log 48 by log 8. X is equals to log 48 is approximately 1.6812 and log 8 is approximately 0.9031. So, x is approximately 1.860. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.